Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix audio stuttering on Stellar Blade for Windows. There are a couple of different fixes, so try not to skip any steps. The first thing you want to do is update or roll back your audio drivers. How do you do that? You type in device manager, you find device manager, you find sound. On the left hand side, it's going to be under here, I believe. Now right click on the audio device, whatever audio device that you're using. I'm going to use Realtek Audio for example. You want to right click on it and click on update driver. Then click on search automatically for drivers. Alternatively, if you have recently put a new driver on and it isn't working, you can right click on it, go to properties, go to driver and roll back the driver if the other driver isn't working. Okay, let's move on to step number 2. Step number 2, we're going to go into the settings. You can do this within the game as well, but we're going to do it in File Explorer for fun. Okay, let's go to C. Scroll down till you see users, whatever user you're logged in as, app data. Right here, it's going to be invisible, so if you can't see it, go to view, show hidden folders. App data local, and from here, find a folder called SB. Right here, it's saved. Config Windows no editor. I'm sorry, you go to game user settings.ini. Right here, right click on it, go to open with notepad. And from here you want to type in set audio quality equals 1. So 1 is medium, 0 is low, and you want to say enable 3D audio equals 0. You want to exit this, you want to save this, and then you want to start the game as normal. Okay, the next step is disable Windows Sonic or Spatial Sound. If you're using other spatial enhancements, this could conflict with the audio engine. So how do you do this? Right click on the speaker icon here in the taskbar. Go to sound settings. Select your audio device, mine is my TV. Scroll to spatial sound right here and make sure that this is set to off. Alternatively, or I shouldn't say alternatively, but also go to device manager. Right click the high definition audio controller right here. And click on disable device. The next one, we want to increase the buffer size. Again, go to what we just were. So again, this is, I'll show you the control path here. It is C users, your username, app data, local, SB saved, config, Windows no report. Right click on game user settings.ini, open with notepad. And this one you want to set to audio buffer size equals 256. Again, exit and save. So after you do this, restart Steam and restart the PC. So temporary cache files can cause audio stuttering. So make sure that you have restarted the PC as well. And then relaunch the game to see if that fixed your issue. If this video helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.